Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this video we are going to be looking at the VWAP Z-Score Signals indicator, VWAP signals, or rather VWAP Z-Score with signals indicator. Okay, so this is the indicator we're going to be looking at in this video. All right, this indicator can be used to analyze market trends, identify reversals, and improve your trade timing. Okay, so now how does this indicator work? Basically, how does it work? You're going to notice that in this indicator window there is an upper zone in red and there is a lower zone in green. All right, and then the indicator line itself fluctuates between green color and purple color. All right, so basically when the indicator changes color to purple, it shows that the bullish momentum is the bearish momentum, sorry, it shows that the bearish momentum is getting weak. All right, when the indicator color changes to purple, it shows that the bearish momentum is getting weak. Let's look at a good example. And when it changes to green, it shows that the bullish momentum is getting weak. Now we can see that here we had a buy signal from the VWAP Z-Score with signals indicator. From the indicator line, we can see we got a buy signal, and that was when the indicator changed color from purple to green. All right, so as the color changed to green, it shows that there was bullish momentum in the market. Okay, sorry, did I say when it changed to green that bullish momentum is getting weak? I think I misplaced it. Okay, sorry about that. It is when it changes to green that bullish momentum is getting strong. Okay, so we can see that the indicator gave us a buy signal and the indicator color changed to green, showing that there was bullish momentum in the market. And then you can see that when it changed to purple, it showed that the bullish momentum was getting weak. All right, here we had a buy signal, and then when the color changed to purple, the bullish momentum was getting weak. Okay, so in that case you can consider exiting your buy trade, or you can just trail your stop loss, or set at break even. And then here again you can see the indicator color changed to green. That was another buy signal. So basically when the indicator color changed to green, it's a buy signal, and you can see it remained green all this while, showing that there was still buy momentum. This time when it changed to purple, it was just a very small pullback, and green again showed buy momentum. And then here when it changed to purple, it showed a pullback, and then green again showed buy momentum. And then here again purple shows the pullback, and green again showed buy momentum. So basically when you're using this indicator, I'm going to recommend using it in a trending market, so that you can just be looking out for the indicator changing to green for buy signals in a bullish trend. And then in a bearish trend, you'll be looking out for sell signals. All right, in a bearish trend, you'll be looking out for the indicator color to change to purple. Whenever the color changes to purple, it shows that there is sell momentum. Okay, so when it changes from green to purple, it shows that there is sell momentum. Here again, it changed to purple, it shows that there was sell momentum. So imagine if you had entered a sell around here when it showed purple. You can consider setting your stop loss above the nearest swing high, then your take profit can be at nearest support zones. Okay, or you can just wait for the indicator color to change to green again. All right, Now, this was another example, right? We can see that here you can see that the color changed from green to purple, showing that there was some sell momentum. So if you had entered a sell trade after you got that signal, you can see around here the set your stop loss above the previous swing high, and you can target support levels for your take profit, or you can just wait for the indicator to change color to green again before exiting yourself. Okay, so this indicator also gives precise buy and sell signals sometimes. Okay, for example, here whenever an arrow appears below this indicator line, whenever an upward arrow appears, it is showing you a precise buy signal. Here again, this was a precise buy signal. Here again, a buy signal. Okay, so sometimes you're going to get a precise buy signal. Okay, after which you can enter a buy trade once you've confirmed, that a bullish move is about to start. And then, in some cases, you're going to get some precise sell signals. Okay, you can see here we got a sell, although that was just a minor pullback. And then here you can see we got a sell again. This was just a minor pullback again. That is the reason why I'm going to recommend using this indicator in trending markets, so that you do not trade pullbacks that might not even last for long. Okay, it is better if you are entering trades in the direction of the trend, so that you will have a higher chance of success. Okay, so now whenever the indicator line enters this red zone, when it enters this red zone, you can just interpret it as an overbought condition, in which case there could be a reversal or at least a pullback. All right, and you will notice that most of the times when these precise buy and sell signals come, is usually when the indicator line enters the extreme zone. When it entered this extreme red zone, we got a precise sell signal. When it entered the extreme green zone, we got a precise buy signal. Here again, precise buy signal. Here again, precise buy signal. Same with here, same with here. So when it enters the extreme zones, that's when the indicator gives you this precise buy and sell signals. Okay, but even without the indicator line entering those extreme zones, just watch out for the color zones. All right, the color codes. The color codes. When the color is green, it shows bullish momentum, and when the color is purple, it shows bearish momentum. So using this indicator is very straightforward. Whether you are a scalper, a day trader, or a swing trader, you can be able to use this indicator in your trading strategy. Okay, but just ensure that you use it in trending markets, because this indicator is not exactly fit for consolidating markets. You might get a lot of false signals. Okay, it's not exactly the best. Let me not say fit per se, but it's not exactly the best for consolidating markets, because you might get a couple of false signals. In as much as, yes, some signals might play out, but just to be on the safer side, just use it in trending markets. Okay, and ensure you always observe good risk management. All right, do not trade an amount you cannot afford to lose, and ensure that you use good risk to reward ratios for executing your trades. So that is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, so that you do not miss out on more trading strategies like this. Okay, in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.